have taken for discussion is from class 10th from the chapter Some Application of Trigonometry, and the question we have chosen is from the topic Angle of Depression. So I'm in a simple way I'll explain you how to solve the question when it comes for angle of depression. So let us go ahead and see the question. The angle of depression of top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building from top of a multi-storage building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storage building and the distance between the two buildings. So it's saying that there are two buildings, okay? One tall building and one multi-storage building. So I've taken AB as a tall building and PC as a multi-storage building. And the angle of depression from the multi-storage building is 30 degree and 45 degree. From the top it is making 30 degree and to the bottom it is making 45 degree. So they have asked find the height. That means they have asked us PC the height, and also I will write H. They've asked the height and the distance between the building. So the two building, they have asked what is the distance between the two building. So we need to find out. So dear students, when such questions come, angle of depression, we need to follow the parallel line theorem which we have studied in geometry section, that whenever a transversal they pass through a parallel line, the alternate angles are equal. Taking that, it will be easy for us to solve the question. So what will we do? Since AB is 8 meter, what is the tall building height? 8 meter. Since these two buildings are parallel, right? So what I can do, I'll draw a parallel line here. So I'll write it D. Okay. So see here, AB is equal to DC. They are parallel. AC is parallel to BD. They are parallel to each other. So this is also 8 meter. I can write that. So I can here write AB is equal to, AB is parallel to DC. And AB is equal to DC. Similarly, BD is equal to, BD will be equal to AC. We can write this. We got this. Let us mark it 1. Now see, we know the height till here. D to C we know the height. But we don't know this P to D. In trigonometry, the easiest way, if we find out this triangle, you can see this triangle PBD. In this side, if we find this side of the triangle, if we are known, then we can solve the question. So for this, see, PQ is parallel to BD. We can say QP is parallel to BD. And PB is acting as a transversal line. So if any transversal line pass through two parallel lines, the alternate angles are equal. So QPB is 30 degree. So PBD will be also 30 degree. Clear? So we'll write angle QPB is equal to angle PBD, which is how much? 30 degree. So here I can also write tan 30 degree is what? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is Triangle PBD we have taken. Triangle PBD I have mentioned. 30. So it will be PD by BD. Right? So tan 30 degree, what is the value? 1 upon root 3. So we got here BD is equal to, what we get? BD is equal to cross multiplication root 3 by PD. So this we will mark as 2. Now we need to follow similarly similarly PQ is parallel to AC. PQ is parallel to AC and PA is acting as a transverse. PA is acting as a transversal line. So angle QPA, which is 45 degree, will be equal to angle PAC, 45 degree. So whenever a transversal is passed through whenever they intersect, they are passed through the parallel line, then alternate angles are equal. Similarly, here also angle QPB is equal to angle PAC. QPA is equal to angle PAC because PQ is parallel to AC, alternate angles are equal. PAC 45 degree. So with this we can find out tan 45 perpendicular upon base. So tan 45 degree is equal to what is perpendicular? PC upon AC. Value of perpendicular 45 degree is 1. Tan 45 1. So from here we get PC is equal to AC. Mark this as 3. I hope it is understood. Very simple. You need to form whenever a transversal line passes through the parallel line, the alternate angles are equal. So we have kept PQ is parallel to BD. So the alternate angles are equal. Here QP is parallel to AC. The alternate angles are equal. So we have got the value. Now we know PC. PC is what? PD plus DC. Right? And here you have pulled out AC is equal to PC is equal to AC. So I can write AC is equal to PD plus DC. This is from third equation. From third. Okay. Similarly, here you see AC is also equal to BD from first. AC is also equal to BD. So I'll write BD is equal to PD plus DC. Is it clear? BD is equal to PD plus AC I can write. And we know the value of BD. What is the value of BD? From second. Value of BD root 3 PD. So it will be root 3 PD is equal to PD plus DC. So it will come up root 3 minus PD. This will come this side, plus side will come this side, it will become minus PD is equal to DC. I hope this is clear. Now you need to follow. Take PD common, PD taken common. So root 3 minus 1. What is the value of DC? AB is equal to DC here. Value of DC 8. So in place of this I can write 8. Right. So PD is equal to 8 upon cross multiplication root 3 by minus 1. So to solve this, we know we need to multiply it with a conjugate. So it will be root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So when we multiply, it will be 8 root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. So a minus b, a plus b. What is a square minus b square's formula? So we can write root 3 square minus 1 square. So it comes up to be 8 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 square is how much? Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1. So it comes 8 root 3 plus 1 by 2. Sorry, I need to put this bracket. Okay. So it comes up to be 4 root 3 plus 1. The value comes up to be 4 root 3 plus 1. Now multiply. It will come 4 into root 3 plus 4. So PD is equal to, the value of PD has come this 4 root 3 plus 4. This is in meter. Okay. Or I'll mention in bracket in meter. So we know the value of PD. It has come up to be 4 root 3 plus 4 meter. So what will total height? Total height will be how much? PC is equal to PD plus DC. So we need to sum up. So the final answer we get, PC is equal to PD plus DC. Okay. So PD, what is the value of PD you got? 4 root 3 plus 4. What is the value of DC? 8. So it will be 4 root 3 plus 12. Now here what you can do? You can take 4 common. It will be root 3 plus 3. This is in meter. So this is the answer. The height of the building will be how much? The height comes up to be, the whole height will be 4 root 3 plus 3 meter. From here, equation third, see, PC is equal to, from third, what we get? PC is equal to, from third, what we get? PC is equal to AC. So PC is equal to AC, that means AC is also how much? 4 root 3 plus 3 meter. That means the height and the distance between the two buildings are same. So let us do a short recap what we have done. Whenever we get a question with angle of depression, we need to follow the theorem that whenever two parallel lines is passed through a transversal line, the alternate angles are equal. So basing on that, we have made this, and then we can find, use 10, say here, equal. So those angles are equal. Then we have used the signs 10, 30, perpendicular upon base. Like that we have pulled out the value of BD. Similarly, with this we have pulled out the value of BD. And similarly here also, with this theorem we proved that PC is equal to PC, the height of the building, and the distance between the building is equal. Once that is done, we know that PC, we know the value of DC. DC value is already given here, 8 meters. See, AB is parallel to DC, AC is parallel to BD. We have drawn like that. So this is also 8 meter. You know 8 meter, you need to find out the rest. So by doing this, PC is equal to PD plus DC. By putting up the values, we get the value of PD. Once you get the value of PD, you need to just add with the DC. I have added the value of PD. with DC, and then you get the value of PC. Once PC you get, and we know that PC is equal to AC, you get the final value. So this was for all today. For more questions which are very crucial, I'll go ahead and explain you in a very simplest way. Thank you. Have a blessed day.